Hi everyone, welcome to High and Colorful part 4, 3. I have no idea, but I am not high yet. I have a bOuRgEoIsIe ℸ𝕠𝕟𝕣𝕒𝕣𝕜. I still haven't named him yet, I think. Did I name him? Probably was too high to remember what I named him, but I named him. I got fresh bowl ready. But what I saw in all of my art crap that I have, zippers. So I think that I'm going to be doing some makeup with zippers. I don't know what color to pick. Ooh. Let me ask my girlfriend. Pick a color. She doesn't type fast enough. I'm also watching YouTube in the background. Pick a color. Already. I don't know what to do. Every time I think of an opening, I think of Jeffree Star's. Hi, how you doing? And welcome to, I don't have a mirror, do I? I have gummies. Welcome to my channel. Hi, how are you? I fucking love him. I will be posting a video as well of all of the makeup that I have because I know I've gotten some questions before on the makeup that I use, etc, etc. So I shall show you. The sunbird's going away. This one's still there. Ooh. Pick a goddamn color, babe. I can do like a galaxy themed and do a blue one. Ooh, look at the purple. I'll do the purple one. I usually use the glue that you have like specifically made for your face. But I don't know where that's at, so I'm just gonna be using regular glue. I just stuck my whole face full of glue this morning too. Because I had googly eyes all over my face. Blue. Okay, now she chooses the color. Crap. Light or dark? Let's get started. Look at a little mini version. Now she wants me to do gold. Ugh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this right here and go down. Kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed a Neil, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you've got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't lose Maui when he's on the breakaway. And the tapestry here on my skin is the map of the victors I win. Look where I win and make everything happen. Look at the mini Maui. Yeah. Oh, I haven't used this yet. Okay. Oh, so excited. This is not who I want. Oh, I should have put primer on. Oh well. Welcome to High and Colorful. ℚ Bro, I'm stuck. I don't want to do gold anymore. I'm gonna do pink. Everybody say ooh na na, oh na na baby. I feel like I've been arguing with myself for about a half hour, but it's only been like 2 minutes. Hello. Okay. You got home, we're 1,000 miles from comfort. My chin's in the sun. I'm getting verses mixed up. Oh, I don't know what this one is. I should be telling you which ones I'm using, right? I forgot. Do I? So I used this one, which is B right here. And then this one is called 518. I don't know what the fuck that means. That's what I did right here. The one I'm using now is this one. And that's called Rested. You know what I said? But I don't think I said it right. Figure it out when I edit this video. That felt great. A little pop in the neck. circle, 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 circle. You know what that one was called? My bad. Well, that one's 518. Wait, I got that wrong. This one's called cola. That's called acapella. Like I can't even know what it is. Got that down. Got to my eyebrows. What was it doing? Oh, her voice.
Look, I don't want to say that we're long
It's
story
so
short,
hard to do when you're high. This is not a mic. Oh, it looks so good. Hi, Abra. How you doing? Oh, the boys of nationality I chimed in. How did you people ever heard of it? Eyebrows look so good. I'm gonna do highlighter. The heart was broke. What was I doing? I don't know. Oh yeah. I did. But all that glitters isn't gold. I was blind. Should I never get some outside bitch? Shawty, I can't ever think of us. If I call, would you pick it up? Oh, but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping. I've changed this freaking zipper like 10 times. I'm hungry now. I'm gonna go make mac and cheese. Let's go. It's a Mickey. It's a Mickey. Why is that in my head? I don't know.
So, yeah.
Hot.
I want to learn my song, but I don't know what.
I'm done eating. I'm back. Gotta fix my lips. Ooh, I can do a red or a red and then orange or orange and red. Wait, orange, red, or orange, red. Yeah. What? Oh, I'm still hungry. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa. I'm struggling with this eyeliner. I can never do the second eye. I'm struggling. What was I gonna do right now? Oh, blues. I want Oreos. 𝔸𝕣𝕥 I got my eyeliner done. Halfway done. This looks really cute. I was eating all the mac and cheese. Hi, beautiful. Ah! Bitch. I did our pterodactyl scream and she didn't even hear me. She's not even paying attention to me. How? I forgot what she's talking about. I want candy. What the hell? That was so hard. I struggled hard with that eyelash. I just can't. I'm trying so hard to put on this eyelash. You gotta focus, babe. Oh, I'm struggling. I was about to put eyelash glue all over my eye. Now for the zipper. Here is the Krabby Patty. Literally just took all the glue off my face from the googly-eyed TikTok I did. Yeah?
I didn't even hear my mom text me. My phone went off too. I had a call from me. What's wrong with it?
A lot of things are wrong with it.
All of the birds died in 1986 because Reagan killing them and replacing them with spies that are now watching us. The birds work for the bourgeoisie.
Alrighty guys, I have finished. I hope you liked it. It took me about 3-4 hours to do this because I also got hungry. I didn't talk much at all because I was so focused. I just noticed. I'm gonna try different designs, and because I found a lot of art stuff in my apartment. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you liked, go ahead and like it and subscribe, and then comment below on which else you would like to see it, okay? Thank you.
Hey, why aren't koalas considered bears?
Because they're marsupials.
Because they're marsupials. No, it's because they don't have the right qualifications.